Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this drop-in shadow frame on CapCut PC. So add in the frame color that you want, go to mask and select the shape that you want. I'm just going to select this heart shape. Then I'm going to right click, create compound clip, and I'm going to select the heart shape again, but I'm going to reverse that. And I'm just going to create this kind of thing. Now once you're done, I want to add kind of like a shadow here. So go to library and add in the black stock video. And just add it behind. And you are going to mask it. You're going to mask it the same way you did the first one. So select that, right click, create compound clip, and then select the heart shape again, reverse it. And then here you're going to want to feather it out just a little bit, and you're going to want to scale it up so only the shadow gets seen, like so. And that is it. You can kind of like group them and scale it up together. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!